You know when you open your door and your door goes like some clicks, so you can open it like that. That's one click. It'll stay like that. It has something like some steps to stay open. That is because of that. This is a door stopper. I don't know exactly how to call it, but if you can see here, it has some pins of some sort. So it has like 2 of those, and when it's fully open, when the door is fully open, that reaches the maximum length, and it doesn't allow your door to touch here, the fender, right, or the wing, or to touch the body of the car, so it won't get damaged, right? Well, in my case, if I let the door open, it will slowly come to me all the way, and it will get over, like right now, this is the maximum, which is not supposed to be. That means, let me show you. So right now, my door, this door doesn't have one of those stoppers, and if you can see over there, the door touches the body of the car. If I push it even further, that edge of the door will get bent, and then it will reach the fender slash. So it should look something like this, but with another, let's call it ear over here. So if you see it, it's this piece right here, which fits something like that. It'll look like this. This side over here goes just in there. You see it just in there, goes through the door frame, comes out of here, look, yeah, and bolts in over there, and this will hold it in place. You should have 2 bolts, one there, which they should be somehow stuck in there, and the other one is like this on the other side. Yeah, so this is how it should look when the door is closed. Well, that will be like that. This acts as a spring, yeah, as you can see it like that, and you really need some strength to pull this out, which I don't have right now, especially with one hand. But that, as you can see, was broken. Should have been like that, but was broken. So my door wouldn't let me open all the way, just halfway, because this was broken. If I would have forced it, it would make a big bang, right, when I will open it, and as well when I was closing it, it will make another big bang, and it wouldn't be good. So I bought a new one, and I have to fit it there. First, you need to know that this should go like that, and you have to twist it somehow for this whole body to get in. You have to do it like that, because it won't fit just like that. So you have to go like this, go a bit up, and there you go. But be careful not to drop it. Twist it inside. push it through. Best of the best ways to do it is to remove your speaker so you can reach out with your hand through the inside of the door so you can hold it. And then just feed it through that gap and push those bolts and you're golden. Go. It's all there. Now you have to put the two nuts
Pause.
over. And then to screw this bolt in there. And you're done. 2 quick tips. First of all, when you put your nuts on,
Hey yo, what the fuck?
you have to make sure they're going in like this with, if you see, it's a nut but it has a washer attached to it, so the washer should go first and then the nut. Yeah, so this is the way it goes. The second tip is you have to make sure before you tighten these, you have to make sure you put it the right way, right? So this is how it should go, right? The screw goes in, attached to the body of the car, the chassis, and it will be ready to go. If you put it the other way around with this bolt down here and this one up here, it won't let you open it. So just to be careful out there when you do this, yeah.